In this video, we'll see the recipe of delicious strawberry bread pudding.
If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
In a pan, add 2 cups full fat milk. I'm using buffalo milk. This is boiled and then cooled down. 2 tablespoons corn flour mixed in 2 to 3 tablespoons water. Add this to the milk. Now add 6 tablespoons sugar. Give this a good mix. Now place the pan on the stove and on medium flame bring this to a boil. We need to cook this mixture until it thickens, and it's very important to keep whisking so that lumps are not formed. So this has thickened. Meanwhile it cools down, we'll chop a few strawberries. Here I have 4 to 5 strawberries and I'm going to chop them. So our strawberries are ready. Once the custard mixture becomes warm, add 2 tablespoons strawberry jam. You can use any brand's ready-made strawberry jam, but the jam I'm using is from my recipe. You can search for strawberry jam the Terrace kitchen on YouTube to find this recipe. Now add 2 to 3 drops of red food color. This is totally optional. It's up to you. If you want to use the color you can, else you can skip it. Now take 6 white bread slices of medium size and remove the sides. I'm using kitchen scissors to remove the sides, but if you want you can use knife as well. So I have a dedicated scissors which I use only in the kitchen and I'm using that right now. Now take 1 bread slice and apply some strawberry jam. Homemade strawberry jam, yummy! Spread the jam well and then place the other bread slice on it and repeat this for the other bread slices. Now divide this sandwich into 4 parts. Repeat this step for all the bread slices. So all our mini strawberry sandwiches are ready. We are going to toast these in a tawa or a pan. Heat 1 tablespoon butter and toast all these mini cute strawberry sandwiches from both the sides till they become golden in color on each side. These look perfect, let's move ahead. Here I've taken a ceramic dish. If you want, you can take a normal plastic container as well, or any kind of container in which you'll be able to place the custard and the bread pieces. Pour some custard. Spread it evenly. Now place some mini strawberry jam sandwiches. Again a layer of custard. Again a layer of jam sandwiches. Another layer of custard. Finally top this dessert with the chopped strawberries which we had kept aside. The assembly is complete. You need to chill this dessert in your refrigerator for at least 2 hours and then you can serve it and enjoy. This tastes awesome. The toasted bread in combination with strawberry custard is just out of this world. Try this recipe at home and enjoy!